Once upon a time, in a big city, there was a kind and clever cat named Tom. One day, Tom was taking his little cat nap when suddenly he heard some scratching sounds coming from inside the wall. He quietly meowed and asked, "Hello, are you guys real or are you just a dream?" And said, "Don't be scared. I won't hurt you. I just want to be your friend." The little mouse family was still scared, but they couldn't help but notice how nice Tom was being. Maybe this cat was different from the other cats. The little mouse family got scared and started to scream. He sat down on the floor and thought about where they could be hiding. "Hello, little mice. I found you." The little mouse family was so surprised. They couldn't believe that Tom had found them. The little boy mouse said, "You win, Mr. Cat. You're really good at finding us." A cat might look scary, but it can be friendly and kind, just like Tom. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We'll see you next time. Tom purred and said, "I had a lot of fun playing with you today. Let's play again tomorrow." The mouse family agreed. Suddenly, he heard some squeaking sounds coming from inside the wall. They would play hide and seek every day, and Tom would always let the mice win. The little girl mouse was no longer scared of cats because she knew that Tom would never hurt her. She even enjoyed playing with his yarn ball. He remembered that the little mouse family lived inside the wall. Maybe they were hiding in there. A cat's? Quick, hide the cheese. They were really scared of cats because once they had a bad experience with a hungry alley cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's find the mice. He looked behind the refrigerator, but the little boy mouse wasn't there. He looked under the bed, but the little girl mouse wasn't there either. That's why when they saw Tom, they thought he was going to eat them. Tom got curious and went to investigate. He found a small hole in the wall and looked inside. To his surprise, he saw a little mouse family making their home inside the wall. There was a mommy mouse, a daddy mouse, and 2 baby mice, a boy and a girl. Tom had never seen a mouse family living inside his house before. Tom understood that they were scared of him. So, to make them feel comfortable, he sat down. So the mommy and daddy mouse came out and asked, "Why did you come here?" Tom replied, "I wanted to make friends. I'm tired of playing with yarn balls and chasing butterflies. I need some new friends to play with." The mommy mouse thought for a moment and then asked, "Do you like playing hide and seek?" Tom had a big smile on his face. "I love playing hide and seek. You guys can hide and I'll count to 10 and then we'll start playing." The mouse family agreed. The little boy mouse was very excited. "This is going to be so much fun," he said. But the little girl mouse was a bit worried. "What if he finds us and eats us?" she asked. Her mother hugged her and said, "Don't worry, dear. I'm sure he'll be a nice and friendly cat. Let's go play now." So the mice started to hide. The little boy hid behind the refrigerator, and the little girl hid under the bed. Tom started counting. Tom was getting a bit frustrated because he couldn't find the mice anywhere. He went over to the wall and started to meow. From that day on, Tom and the mouse family became best friends. And that's the end of our story. The moral of the story is, don't judge a cat by its claws.